The challenge that most people face when they try to go to the Flutterwave website and create an account is that they are not able to find their countries listed. Now, I had most of my viewers commenting under this video that I made about how to do Flutterwave integration, and this was a pain for most of you, so I decided to do a video on it. Now, these are some of the comments that you guys said under the video I made earlier, that they are not able to find countries such as Cameroon or Ghana inside the list of countries. So I made this video to help you out. Now, if you go onto the website, the Flutterwave, and you go to create an account, you see that when you do select country, you only see Nigeria and Rwanda. Before, you could even only see Nigeria only. Now, just underneath that section, you will see it says for other countries, click here. So when you click here, it takes us to another page where it says contact our sales team, which means that if your business is not registered in Nigeria or Rwanda, then the sales team needs to step in to help you with the registration process. So in here, you can see it says enter your full name. So you need to enter your full name in here, and then the company name, your email address, and this is where the new update is. Now it says country your business is registered in. So you need to click on that, and you will see there are a couple of countries listed in here. So you just need to go in there and find your country. If your country is not listed, then it means that Flutterwave is not yet registered in or does not have the license to operate in that particular country. So some of my viewers said they could not register in Cameroon or they could not find Cameroon, but in here you can see Cameroon listed. You can see there's Egypt, there's Ghana, there's Ivory Coast, Kenya, Malawi, Mauritius, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda. I had most of my viewers saying that they could not do it in Uganda. Now you can see Uganda listed in there. There's United Kingdom, there's United States, and even the rest of Europe. So these are major updates that Flutterwave have added onto their website. So if this was a pain before for you, I'm happy to do this video and tell you that there's been a major update. So you can go ahead and create your account if your business is registered in any of these countries. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content and videos on websites and payment integrations. Thank you for joining, and I hope to see you in the next video.